guys, so I just wanted to jump on here. I'm gonna do a monthly favorites for March, but a quarantine edition. So like all the products I'm loving, you know, all day at home, not being able to go out to the store that much, not being able to get, you know, your hair done, your eyebrows done, all that stuff. So all those tips and tricks of what I've been loving during quarantine. So we'll get started. I think I'll just start off with my dry shampoo. So this is a great time to take advantage of being able to, you know, not wash your hair as much and all of that because you're not going anywhere. So I only wash my hair once a week now. And every morning I brush it through and put some dry shampoo in. So just any dry shampoo works. I like this one. I can get this at the store very easily. Target, you know, Walgreens, all that stuff. So I like this one. This is the one I use. So that's perfect for every day. So you can give your hair a break during this time, but still have it look nice, you know, during the day. My next favorite thing I'll go over is my tanning lotions. I used to tan at my gym, which obviously I cannot do anymore. I don't want to be pale. So I have the Target one and then the Jergens face. This is for the face. So you can do these in the morning and the night, just at night before you go to bed, just in the morning, whatever you want to do. I have them both in medium to tan. So they're gradual tanners. So the reason that I like things like this more, there's obviously some more expensive brands that are gonna give you that tan faster. The reasons I like things like that as opposed to the foam with the mitt tans is those at the end of it leave your skin very patchy. You have to like scrub it off in the shower. And these, you don't ever have to do that. You know what I mean? And it never leaves you streaky or anything like that. You just put it on every night like a lotion, wash your hands with soap and water and move on. So that's why I love those. Okay, so next we're gonna do, I love these. I got these on Amazon for very, very cheap. Just like search in the search bar, like acne patches. This is a pack of 108. The brand is Iconic Cosmetic. So there are, again, all these things I'm showing you. Some are more inexpensive just because it's quarantine, you know, not everyone's making any money or people are on unemployment and all of that. So trying to keep things low cost if you do want to order. So these are great. So these come in all different shapes and sizes, which is really nice. And this is a big pack. So with these, you wash your face and do all that. And then you stick them on your face where you have either a bump or a pimple or anything like that. And then by morning, it is flat. There is another good brand that has those. It's just way more expensive for so less. And it's called Peace Out Acne. So this is, it would be Peace Out like acne. This is a different thing. This is for wrinkles, but that's a good brand for it too. I've also used that. It's just, like I said, more expensive. So like I said, we're just trying to cut costs right now. So those are cheaper alternatives. Next, I'll go into my CVS Health Apple Cinnamon Vitamin Complex Metabolism Health. I love these. These also have, I think it's caffeine in them. So I don't drink coffee or like a Red Bull in the morning, anything. I just wake up and take these. So they also help with all the advantages of apple cider vinegar and give you a little kick in the morning to wake up. If you don't like coffee or don't want to drink a cup of coffee every day, I love those. So I take those every morning just to get energized because even though we're, you know, sitting at home all day or going on our walks or whatever, like you still don't want to be sluggish. You don't want to like, you know, get yourself in a bad mood. So that helps keep your, you know, spirits up and help you with those walks and to get shit done around the house. Like I've been fucking cleaning everything, you know, doing projects around the house. So that stuff helps with that. Next, I'll go into, I love this. This is a new addition. This is it comes in this little package, this little like zipper bag. This is the Skims waist trainer. So I thought, I mean, I'm gonna be, sorry, that was the dog playing on the bed. They're fine. Bo, Willie, stop it. So I thought I'm stuck inside for 2 months, might as well. Because people like to do this, but I mean, do you really want to wear it at work all the time under your clothes? Not particularly. So I thought this was a great time, especially before summer. I mean, come on. So I'm just gonna like cinch it real quick and I'll show you all. So I got size small and I got the nude color. And it's just a little waist trainer. It's not so pretty. So you can just wear this when you want, lounge around all day. or on your walks. It's great time for it. And again, like I said, you know, typically in your everyday life, you don't want to be wearing that all the time, and that's why people don't do them, but we're sitting at home all day, guys, so perfect time for that. And that's like a fun little, makes you feel good type of project, I feel like. So next, and that's the Skims, the Kim Kardashian brand for that. That was more on the pricey side, but you could find cheaper alternatives for sure on Amazon or anything like that. Next, we'll go into my favorite masks during quarantine. It's gonna be the Wishful Yo Glow Enzyme Scrub. I put this in my skincare video. Like I said, this is about 2 times a week that I should use. It's so good. So literally you rub it on and it takes off all your dead skin. So like how you have little clumps of all, you like see it coming off, which is like, I feel like just like feels so good, you know? Like just to see all that crap come off your face. So love this, highly recommend. I got mine on Sephora. I did look on Amazon for it first and I couldn't find it being sold on Amazon. So I would try Sephora, and I bet it's on, like, I bet they actually have their own website, and then maybe Ulta. But I did order mine on Sephora.com. One of my other second favorite masks, and I use this, this one before quarantine and all that, but I love this. It makes your skin just feel so good. This is also a suggested, I think it's only suggested 2 times a week at max as well, but it's the Ordinary, and it like literally looks like blood. It's so weird, but peeling solution, 10-minute exfoliating facial. So I would swap these out, like one day, skip a day, do this one, skip a day, do this one. But I love these. This makes your skin feel so smooth, and it's only 10-minute mask. So as soon as 10-minute hits, take it off. But it's like, it's so weird. It's like, it looks like blood. See? Not crazy, but I love this one. And again, this is the Ordinary brand. I love it because it's good products, but it's not very expensive. I get my Ordinary products on Sephora, but again, you could probably get it straight from like the website or something like that. Oh, and the Ordinary is on Amazon because I've ordered on there before too. So next we'll go into, of course, everyone right now, you know, this is your best friend, my mini little hand sanitizers for my bag. So when I do go out anywhere, I've only been going to the store or my mom's house, because I've been doing projects over there too, because she lives in like a big single family home. It's like 4 bedrooms, and we both don't, me and my sister both don't live there anymore. So I've been going over there and just painting stuff, you know, because I haven't lived there, I would like to say almost over a year now. I don't know. So I've been going back to do projects that I just couldn't get done because, you know, I was working, I had my own house to clean. I mean, me and Justin live in a townhouse and it's 3 levels and it's a lot with 2 huge dogs as well. So this in a way is kind of like a blessing because I get to go over there and, you know, help out my mom, get her like house in order. I've been painting, doing projects, you know, anything to fill my time right now, you know, right? But so back to my favorite. So I love taking these in my purse because if I go into the grocery store, you know, obviously you guys know, don't touch anything, use this. I use this on my phone. I just, you know, spray it everywhere. So these are great for your handbag if you're a girl, or if you're a guy, put it in your pocket. But I love little minis. If you can't find these, but you have a big thing, just fill it up with that. So next, I'll go into my favorite like snack or breakfast. So I've been doing them every day for breakfast because I love it. It's so easy, and you know, it's quarantine, but you still don't want to be eating like pancakes every fucking morning, okay? Like you don't want to be doing that. Save that for Saturday and Sunday. During the week, eat, you know, your yogurt bowls or, you know, the healthier stuff. I know Jif is probably not the healthiest peanut butter. You can use your own like healthier peanut butter. I just like Jif. So I take my chocolate rice cake, and each rice cake, I mean, they're pretty good for you. Fuck. What are the calories again? I remembered. I forgot. They have, 1 cake has 60 calories. So I get the chocolate ones. They're not like super chocolatey by any means. They're like, I don't know, it's like a little powder on top, I guess. So you could put vanilla yogurt and like berries on this. I like to just spread a little bit of peanut butter. But that is quick and easy. Also a quick and easy snack. But that's what I've been doing for breakfast. That or fruit smoothies, which of course are great right now too for during the week. Okay, let's see my next item. It's my fave right now. My press-on nails. I love these. Because I can't go get my nails done. And I was like every 2 weeks getting my fill for my acrylics. You know what I mean? Like, because we need some nails. And I know I'm not seeing anyone or going out, but for me particularly, I like to still feel good. So I like having my nails done like I usually do. So like I have press-ons now. These are just a kiss pack. So they're super easy. You just glue them on with the glue they come with, and then you can file them if you need to, whatever. They fall off, you're at home, glue back on. And then in about 2 weeks, when they all start getting pretty loose, that's when you should just go ahead and take them off and change them out. So this is the Kiss brand in long. They have a bunch of different ones. You can get these at Target, CVS, Walgreens, Walmart, all those places. Which are all still open, or online on Amazon or anything like that. So you can do the ones that are already like a set, like these, which I have here. And again, these are like $5 to $7, I think, and they come with multiple. Or you can get a package like these. These are Kiss. So these are nice because they're clear. So what you would do with these is glue them on, file them down how you'd like, and you can paint them any color you want. Even if you have gel nail polish already, and you even have one of those gel like little lights, put these on, put your gel nail, and then put it under, and you're good to go. So this is also, and this comes with a lot. So this is why I also like to do these too. More bang for your buck, you know? So this is the Kiss brand. So are these. Again, like I said, there's also little stickers in there, but I just use the nail glue. So love those for quarantine. Still got our nails. Oh, and then this little tool, I meant to do this with my face mask, but this is great. These are little silicone applicators to put on your face mask. These are fun. Feels kind of luxe. I mean, super cheap on Amazon, like I said, or you can get them at the store, but it makes you feel good when you're trying to pamper yourself that day. And my last favorite to end on would be definitely books right now. I love fiction books, mystery, thriller, like any of that stuff. Like this one is, you know, like a mystery of sorts. This is the author, Emily. I can't pronounce her last name, but I could even do a video of all my favorite books. I have so many books in my mom's house. Like, it's insane. Like, my room there is filled, the basement's filled, like, because I just love reading fiction books. So get a couple books outside. You know, if you don't like, you know, doing outdoor activities, or you don't have dogs to walk, or you don't like going on walks, you know, go sit outside and read a book all day, because that'll kill a whole day quarantine, you know? So books are definitely one of my favorite things right now as well. Definitely fiction books. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. These are all my current quarantine favorites this month. Maybe next month I'll do another one to see if I have any new stuff to tell you guys about. But yeah, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed. Give this video a like, please, and subscribe to my channel if you want to. And I'll see you guys soon. Bye.